Hello, my friends. Matt AV here from the Black, helping you to create emotional and physical well-being. Here with a video on how to remove core energies, or what is the core energy removal technique. Now, for those of you who watch the channel, I know it's all about help people with their family issues and things of that nature. This ties into that. Now, how does it tie into that? What is it all about? I'm gonna answer right now. So start first with what is the core energy technique, or what are core energies first of all? Well, we're all human beings. We're spiritual beings having a human experience. Actually, let's not start there. Let's just do this. Core energies are simply this: your emotions. Your emotions are energy. Emotion is a short form of saying energy in motion. Energy in motion, emotion. Also known as your feelings, your emotions, the feelings, anger, hurt, sadness, jealousy, happiness, boredom. It can all be physically measured. It can all be measured using special instruments. You can see it on a special way scale. I forget what the scale is, but your emotions can be measured, and because of that, you go through energetic changes of your energetic state throughout the day. When you wake up, when you're in bed, when you're happy, you're sad, you go through energetic changes. All right. Now, what happens is, as we're born into this world, we're babies, don't know anything. We don't know shit. All we know is love, to give love and survive. That's pretty much it. And what happens is, from day one as we go through life, things happen to us. Trauma could be parents were abusive, parents, could have told us don't plan something, even though they're loving parents. And all those brought up a feeling in trauma of us that we were not taught as children to just simply feel out to completion. So what's happened since day one of you being on planet Earth up until now, you have stuck within your body, okay, your energetic body, a bunch of emotions, trauma, basically other energies that are driving you to do things and causing things in your life. And when you remove this stuff by simply feeling it out, your life changes because you've changed. Here's an example. Fear. Fear is a motivator to make you not do something. And I've heard people say, "Oh, if you could put fear, in front of you, behind you, to push you to do stuff." You can do that, or you can choose to live life from without having to be in fear, where you can just be happy and do things you want to. Now, people have fears and phobias, and what is fear? Again, it's emotion, which means it's an energy. When you have the fear, it feels very real. Any emotion you feel at the time, whether you're happy or sad, or you think things are crappy, you're feeling like that, it seems real. It's not real, it's just a feeling you have, and it colors your world, story that you created. Now, to get rid of any fear, all right, simply, instead of having to just do it, instead of just going through the fear over and over and over again, as what's been taught to us, it's real simple, where you don't even have to be next to or at the stimulus that causes you to feel fear. You can put yourself in a state and feel out the fear you have, and then deep breaths, deep breathing, feel the fear, and it goes away. All right. Now, what I described to you was removing core energy, removing the, as my coach calls them, the human control codes, or as another coach of mine that I follow calls it, spells and spell breaks, or core restraints. Okay, because so long as you have that fear, all right, and any other emotion in you, okay, and the emotions could be of anger, sadness, anxiety, stress, things you've had from childhood with your parents, especially the issues with a mom or your father. Those emotions that you feel that are still within your body are still there, and the fear of anything else is all having a wonderful, amazing effect on the life that you, my friend, are creating. Yes, you are creating your life. And your life can be a lot different if you're not creating it with the energy that drives you to do shit. It's like this. So many people every fucking year are like, I'm gonna lose weight, And then they may have a start and they stop and give up. And they're like, what is it? What stops us from, and here's the thing about core energy and why mindset is not the end game. It's a step in the right direction. It's a start, but not the finish. Because we talk about mindset, all it talks about is hear and completely disregards your emotions. And when it talks about your emotions, all it says is fight against them. That's fucking stupid. Because your emotions are energy, and trying to fight against your emotions, and people have done it, like, when you especially go through a breakup or whatever, or you're really stressed out at work, it's kind of hard to focus on work, whatever you're doing, when you're bothered by something like this fear that's there. It's hard because it's the equivalent of going and fighting against the ocean or going upstream. You wouldn't go upstream, would you? Because it wouldn't make sense. You're like, that's too much effort. Like, you waste too much time and energy. Whereas you just gave in, just fell and went with the stream. Things run much smoother. Yes? Okay then. Well, same thing with your emotions. Instead of resisting them and fighting them and if you just feel them out, they go away and you're fine. So when you do this, when you feel out the fear, I'm sorry, let me go back to my example of the weight. There's emotions and feelings you have that are within your body that have driven you, that you're keeping in, that have caused you to gain weight. That's serious. So that when you go to lose weight, release weight and eat better, you should, but the emotions and stuff that keep you there to be overweight kick in, it can struggle, and you lose. You don't go anywhere, and then you're like, why the hell am I eating a bag of chips, watching TV when I should be out having a walk or whatever? That's what I'm talking about. When you deal with the inner issues you have, the unresolved trauma, the hurt, the pain that's there, suddenly when you do that, you'll feel better. Your life will change. The desire to eat bad food or whatever goes away, and then your weight will start to come off. I'm not kidding you. I've been doing this work for myself and my coach, and I swear to God, 1 week I looked skinnier. I was like, holy shit, I lose weight, and I didn't do anything different. That's the thing. When you do this work, you don't have to go out and change everything. Things change their own. Why is it? Because you, my friend, are not just limited to this physical body. There's energy that goes beyond your body, far beyond you, what you're consciously aware of, that affects the entire world. Because you, my friend, are not just some fucking human being on a planet. Your body is your universe, it is you. You affect your entire life. You create your life. So if you have energy emanating from you, which is why your inner world, your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. That's true, because your outer world is being reflected from the energies that are coming from within, from you. Get rid of the fear, the hurt, the anger, all that stuff, and the outer world will reflect that. It's like this. Better example. It's like it's like if a beam of energy shooting from you and it's causing damage to like a wall. Turn off the beam or get rid of it, or destroy the gun that shoots it. Beam stops and the wall you can repair. Beep. It's like that. So maybe not the best sample, but I hope that makes sense. So with all that being said and everything else, it comes to removing core energies. This is what I do with my clients and what I've taught myself and my coach. And I use the same technique to get rid of the fear of flying that I had for up until about 27. I'm 33 now, but it's a long time to be afraid of something, to get in a plane and be like, fuck, I hope we don't die and crash. Now I'm like, shit, I'm gonna get on a plane and go fly somewhere. Completely different. I feel different, and you'll feel it. All you got to do, my friend, if you want to remove any core energy, or how to remove core energies, which includes beliefs about yourself, feeling worthy, fears, phobias, anger you've held on to, depression is an energy, because everything's energy. Depression, fears, phobias, beliefs, anything that you feel, keeps holding you back is simply you. It's your energy that you created. So this is literally how you get out of your own way, by feeling out that emotion. So what you want to do to start a process, like I said in the videos in the past, You want to be in a quiet spot, close your eyes, start breathing deeply. That means a long inhale through your nose, long exhale through your mouth. It's centered, and then think of the feeling or the fear, whatever it is that's been bugging you for so long, and just simply, bring up that emotion and feel where it is in your body, and just put your hand there and feel it out, and trust me, it'll go away. Now, this may take 5 minutes, because this may take 20 minutes. In some cases, with some feelings I feel it's taken, almost an hour, because especially if you've been feeling a certain way really deeply for a long time, it just kind of gets worse. You got to take time to just feel it, and as you do, the emotion decreases in size, and then whoosh, you'll feel this relief. You'll feel the oh shit, like you'll feel better. And then if you do 1 and 2 and 3, you're good. If you do more than 3, I'm suggesting more than 3 in the beginning, you start. But if you do more than 3, you will feel tired. You'll feel tired. You'll be hungry. You'll be like, what the fuck? And when you do just have water, you'll need water to hydrate, because you just forgot this energy. And I feel like your body, when you do that, it kind of has to recalibrate, because it's gotten rid of crap that doesn't serve anymore. And then it's like, oh, and then the next day, I swear to God, you will feel like you feel lighter. And for me, when I've done this work before, like I gone out to run, I've run so much faster the next day. I'm like, holy shit, it's crazy. So I hope this helps. If you like assistance with this, I'm a life coach. I'll help you with the fear phobia you have, or any issues you have with your mother and father, because you can talk about that, you give advice, but then you want that shit to change, you have to deal with the core energy, the root, the emotion that you feel. Once that's gone, that shit takes care of itself. It does, without you have to do anything. And you'll know if you want to continue to deal with them or not. Because you don't have this anger and sadness blinding you. You'll be like, oh, I care about you, but I don't feel like dealing with you. You can do that. It's okay too. So like I said, I'm a coach, life coach. Reach out to me. Text me on WhatsApp. If you're not in the U.S., text me on WhatsApp. If you're in the U.S., text me. You can find my email, and also have information in the description below. We'll set up a consultation. And hope this helps. Like this video if you're brand new. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you. Also let me know what your thoughts are. Appreciate you. In the black. Peace.